Dr. Disrespect is back, officially back. We were watching a little bit of it on YouTube. A lot of viewers, a lot of members. He might even still be live right now. I think he's live right now. We're recording right now. He's playing Warzone, obviously. 354,000 thumbs up, 14,000 thumbs down. A lot of changes in Warzone recently, so there's much to catch up on. Why is the chat busted? There's a hat. There's a guy with a hat. Oh, you got the... What is that mascot's name? Is he a chimpanzee holding a hammer? I suppose. So, Anyway, 2.14 million subscribers. I don't know what the peak was. I think it was around 500,000 concurrent viewers when it first popped off. And people were waiting in advance, actually, because he had just sort of a graphic and some music playing. And people were they were sitting there waiting for a number of hours prior to him going live. What is that live count right now? It's chopped off for me. What's the live watching now?
200,000.
200,000. Yeah. So it's fluctuated a little bit, but big numbers for concurrent, for live streaming. And he appears to be very happy to be back. But apparently he's not going to be exclusive to YouTube. He's going to split his time between YouTube, Facebook, and his own website, which is the Champions Club website. So he's going to diversify, stream on a number of platforms. I don't know why he made that move. It would appear to me that he got no exclusive deal or didn't want an exclusive deal. Maybe he could have had it on YouTube. Maybe YouTube isn't doing that anymore. One thing's for certain, the platform, from a technical perspective, seems to be doing the job. People figured it out. I mean, the chat is broken right now. Maybe if you refresh the page, we can get the chat back. Or maybe YouTube isn't ready to go. There we go. We got the chat back. So it appears to be working well, and it appears that users have transitioned over to it with their memberships, and their donations seem to be flying. The chat is flying. People figured it out. They're fine with YouTube. It doesn't have to be Twitch by the looks of it. So it's an interesting development anyways, because you had Ninja went back to streaming on Twitch, and then after a small little experiment on YouTube, and then Disrespect is now streaming on YouTube, but he says it's not exclusive. He'll be bouncing around a little bit. And what can I say about it? Well, I guess it's good that he's back.
Yeah.
For everyone who's a fan, they've been sitting around waiting. It's like a month. We still don't have any answers about what happened at Twitch or what the ban was. I don't know if we'll ever have the answers. But without the answers, it almost acts as some kind of promotional mechanism.
Yeah.
It's added hype. I mean, I'm talking about it, and I wasn't watching him prior to that. And then all of a sudden, I'm reading all these stories. I'm curious. It's very newsworthy, very noteworthy. And so, has the whole thing been fabricated?
By TikTok?
I don't know. But yeah, that's right.
A lot of conspiracy.
Anyways, if you want to catch him, he's on YouTube now. He'll also be on Facebook and his own site. Go check it out, and whatever. Shout out Dr. Disrespect back to streaming after a long layoff.